Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss chapter 13, sides and angles of a triangle. First we will discuss the key point. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So example is, which of the following sets of lengths can be the lengths of the sides of a triangle? So this is the set 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So let's check it. So if we will add 2 and 3, their sum must be greater than the third side. But here 2 plus 3, it is equal to the third side. So according to this key point, these lengths cannot be the sides of a triangle. Okay. Another set of sides 3, 4 and 5 centimeter. First I will add 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is greater than 5. Okay. Then 4 and 5 is greater than the third side, and 3 and 5 is greater than the third side. So this set can form a triangle. Third set of sides 2, 4 and 7 centimeter. So let's start. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 is less than the third side. So cannot be the sides of a triangle. Exercise 13.1, we will do only its question number 1. In this question we have two sides 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Which of the following measure is possible for the third side according to the key point? So here is the explanation. If we will add 10 and 15, it is 25, and 25 is not greater than this, not this, is greater than this. This is the possible answer. 25 is also greater than the 5 centimeter, but when you will do in working all the steps with 5 centimeter, in third step you can check that 5 centimeter cannot be the side of the triangle. So the possible answer is only 20 centimeter. Now exercise 13.2, its first question. Just look at the diagram. Let me explain it. P is a point, AB is the line segment. So just move along this side, this, or this. Which one is the shortest distance? Which line is showing shortest distance? According to their angles, always remember, whenever you have a line with 90-degree angle, that line is always showing the shortest distance. So here is 90-degree angle PN. Measurement of PN is the shortest distance. C option is the correct option. Now second question of exercise 13.2. In this we have P is a point, AB is the line segment. We are going to check PL. PL, is it the shortest distance? When it will be the shortest distance? How can we show it is the shortest distance? We can prove if here is the angle of 90 degree, then we can say it is the shortest distance. So not 80 degree, not 100 degree. So which is the correct option? 90 degree. If measurement of angle PLA is 90 degree, then PL is the shortest distance. Now MCQs. Sorry, not MCQs. We have true and false. It is review exercise 13. Which of the following are true and which are false? The angle opposite to the longer side is greater. It is true. Okay, how it is true? Do you know which side is longer? In triangle we have three sides: base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always the longest side, and opposite to this side your angle is always greater. So this one is true. In second, in a right angle triangle, greater angle is of 60 degree. If your triangle is right angle, then greater angle must be 90 degree, not 60. This one is false. In an isosceles right angle triangle, angle other than the right angle are each of 45. Exactly. If you have isosceles and right, both qualities in one triangle, then third angle is 90 degree. Third angle is right angle 90 degree, and the other two are always 45 and 45. This one is true. A triangle having two congruent sides is called equilateral? No. A triangle having all congruent sides is called equilateral. If all the sides are equal, then it is equilateral. This one is false. A perpendicular from a point to line is shortest distance? Yes. Always perpendicular is the shortest distance. This one is true. Next, perpendicular to the line forms an angle of 90 degree. Yes, true. A point outside the line is collinear? No. If the point is on the line, then it is collinear. False. This one is false. Sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third. Exactly, it is true, and this is our key point for this chapter. The distance between a line and a point on it is 0. Yes, if you have a line and you have a point on the same line, then the distance between point and line is 0. This one is true. Now triangles can be formed with these three lengths. These three lengths we have checked in exercise 13.1 in first part, in A part. These are not forming a triangle. These are not the sides of a triangle. So this one is false. Now question number 2. What will be the angle for shortest distance from an outside point? If this is the outside point and this is the line segment, this will be shortest distance if we have here which angle? 90 degree angle. Now question number 3. In question number 3, we have 1, 2, 3 sides. But here the rule is different. Here you can check the difference of two sides, and if difference is less than the third side, it means the sides are forming a triangle. So this is the opposite to our key point. What we have done in key point? We have checked the sum of two sides, and the sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. And in this question, we are going to check the difference. 13 minus 12 is 1, and 1 is less than the third side. Okay. 12 minus 5 is 7, and 7 is less than the 13. Now 13 minus 5 is 8, and 8 is less than 12. Here is the solution. So these are the sides of a triangle. Now question number 4 and 5. Do these two questions for practice. You can easily complete these two questions. Last question is question number 6. In this question we have two sides, and these two sides are the sides of a right angle. What should be the length of the third side? So these two sides are the sides of a right angle. This third side is missing. Whenever we have a right angle and we are going to find any missing side, we always use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is the sum of square of these two sides. Square of 3 plus square of 4 must be equal to the square of third side. So this, after calculating their squares, we have this 25, and here we have x square. To remove the square, we can find the square root of 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. So the third side is 5 centimeter. Now your chapter 13 is complete. So I hope you can understand it and try to do these two questions. Okay, Allah Hafiz.